Parents, do your kids have Prezi? What is Prezi? Well, Prezi Marketing says everything you need to create, present, and analyze your best presentations ever. On the left, it says a simple, intuitive interface, and on the right, completely customizable. Then it says make your data dazzle and work together, win together. What is Prezi? Well, Prezi is a presentation software that allows users to create and share visually engaging slide presentations through a website at Prezi.com. Now, to create a presentation, users select a template, customize the presentation, adjust the layout, and add content. Presenter View is one of the views, and it offers the ability to write verbal cues and notes to guide the presenter, as well as a timer function to help the presenter keep pace. Now, similar to Google Apps, teams can edit presentations together in real time, which is really convenient if your student is working on this in classroom. Now, users can also insert images, videos, icons, graphs, shapes, or text into their presentation. Zoom animations are one of the coolest features, I think, and they can be added as transitions throughout a presentation. To share a presentation, users send a public link. Now is a great time to consider looking at Parent University if you're an education or an organization that wants to protect parents. You get positive videos that all your parents can unlock, and they can watch with their kids so they'll learn how to be safe and smart online. If you're a teacher or an educator, consider clicking the links below. Everybody also gets access to our Footprint Friday report. More on that in a moment. Now, why should parents care? Well, unless your student has a paid account, all Prezi presentations are public online, and we've seen this over the course of several years. A lot of Prezi presentations are there, changing a student's Google results without the parents knowing. Now, Prezi has a searchable database of public presentations that students can go in and use as templates. Although the app is for educational purposes only, presentations can contain inappropriate content at times and explicit images if we're not careful. Now, Prezi can also help students in a positive way make engaging presentations for school, extracurricular activities, or volunteering events. Having a positive, insightful, and well-designed presentation can showcase a student's passion and knowledge on a specific subject. Presentations like these can create a positive digital footprint for a student, and that's really what we're here to teach you. Now, eWeek says Harvard researchers found Prezi significantly more organized, engaging, persuasive, and effective than both PowerPoint and presentations with no visual aids. And Forbes says Prezi doesn't exactly work for everyone and has limitations with regards to fonts and other elements on the basic subscription options, so keep that in mind as well. Now, here's some student presentation ideas. Create a presentation of your resume and walk people through your experience in education. Presenting your resume is a great way to use visuals to tell your story for the college admission process, internships, and summer jobs. Consider showcasing your progress in a hobby and share what you've learned along the way. Some examples are art, sports, dance, programming, music, etc. Now, consider teaching others something you are knowledgeable about, like playing an instrument or speaking a second language. If you've volunteered recently, consider sharing your experience and thank the organization you worked with. We call this being yourself, but using a little bit of positivity and gratitude. Now, what can parents do? Well, when you're ready for your student to be online, encourage them to use apps and websites like Prezi.com that positively impact their digital footprint. Teach your children to keep all of their online content light, bright, and polite, the title of 3 of my books. Now, remind your student that all their presentations are public, and anything they really do online might be able to be found online, so they need to be careful, and they need to be over 13 years old. Also, have a discussion with your student and work with them to determine what kind of presentations they should create to help them shine online. And this is really where you need to be with them. Don't just leave them alone and let them do this stuff. Work with them and start a dialogue. Next, consider joining Parent University at smartsocial.com or click the links below to watch as I walk your students and you through this app in a detailed way in a membership area so you know every step that you need to take to positively impact your Google results. This can be done in middle school, way before you need it to be done. Now, sign up for Footprint Friday to monitor your students' digital footprint each week to see how their presentations are changing their Google search results, or also what they need to do in order to change them in a positive way, even before you get them onto Prezi. Now let's take a look at the Parent University membership area at smartsocial.com. As soon as you log in, you can join our secret Facebook page to get updates from other parents. You can check your inbox for an invite for Footprint Friday. If you see any problems with your kids' Google results, you get access to an analysis that we can run for you. And then also we can actually fix your kids' Google results. Next, you get an Instagram tutorial, a deep dive to become an expert on Instagram as a parent. You get a Snapchat tutorial to become an expert on Snapchat, the latest version of Snapchat. You get a family cell phone contract you watch with your kids and downloadable materials. Then we teach you how to set up Prezi, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Medium.com, Twitter, and several more apps right here. You watch these with your kids. Next, here's the ones that you watch with your junior high, middle school, and elementary school kids for safety. How colleges are someday going to search for you online. How to get kicked out of Harvard. Should you use your real name? Can I share my password? All kinds of videos. Next, how to find hidden apps on a teen's phone. And these are videos that only parents watch. It turns out that if your student downloads an app on their iPhone, then they delete it, we can show you how to see if they've ever downloaded it at all. Also, we teach you about ransomware, which is really dangerous, 3-step digital plan, all kinds of other things. You get access to download all of my books, which is a $75 value. And you get an invite to Parent University, the Facebook group where you can ask questions. And last, you get an invite to Footprint on Friday, because we all know that colleges and employers have time to search for candidates, and this tool teaches you exactly how they're going to do so years ahead of when they do that for your student. Guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. What is Prezi? I'm Josh Oakes with smartsocial.com. You can click the links below to join Parent University to learn more about protecting your kids online. We are the team that wants to be a part of your family to help you to be safe and smart online in a really positive way. There's also some new anti-bullying content that we're putting in there, and I'd like to be with you on the long haul, so please consider clicking the links below. No matter what you do, make sure to keep it light, bright, and polite because your kids are watching. I'm honored that you watched this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.